Okay, tuloy natin ating pag-aaral sa air conditioning and ventilation system. Meron tayong problem dito na isosolve. On a particular day, the atmospheric air was found to have a dry bulb temperature of 30 degrees and a wet bulb of 18. So, nung nakaraang problem, parang 30 rin yung dry bulb. No? Pero ang wet bulb niya is 20, ngayon 18. So anyway, let's move on. The barometric pressure was observed and B756 mm of mercury. Using using the table of psychrometric, the properties of air, determine the relative humidity, RH, the specific humidity, yun yung W, the dew point temperature, the enthalpy of air per kilogram of dry air, and the volume of mixture per kilogram of dry air. So write down the solution. Of course, you have to start with writing down the given. The given are there, no? Tatlo yan. Dry bulb, wet bulb, and barometric pressure. So, ito yung ating solution. No? First of all, find the partial pressure of water vapor from steam table. Okay, and we find the temperature. Sorry, we find the saturation pressure corresponding to the wet bulb temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Ito yon. Sa bar, you can use any steam table, no? Pinapakita lang natin dito the solution. So for the steam table location, just use any steam table available uh, that you have in the past, no, doon sa mga previous books nyo using thermodynamics. There are steam table there, so use that one. And what you need to do is just to convert the pressure. If the pressure in your table is not the same in the pressure in the given problem. Okay? So, dito siya. Given na siya, no? I mean, yung saturation pressure ito. Doon sa wet bulb. So, may conversion lang dito. From bar to Pascal or Newton per meter square. Okay. Then, meron kang plug in this value and divide it again by the millimeter of mercury to Newton meter square or Pascal. You will have the answer. Sorry, you will have the 15.47 mm of mercury. Tapos, meron tayong PB. Madalas niyang gamitin tong carrier equation. So, for PB, using formula, carrier equation ang gagamitin. Kasi given yung atmospheric pressure at saka yung PW corresponding to the wet bulb temperature, given yung dry bulb, given yung wet bulb, you can use this equation. So, yeah, plug in the formula and be consistent with the unit. Okay. Ito siya ngayon. Lumabas. Be careful with the unit. Ano? Okay. Move on tayo. Yan. So, from steam table again, we find the saturation pressure of vapor corresponding to dry bulb PS. Kukunin mo ngayon yung yung saturation pressure corresponding to 30 degrees na dry bulb temperature. So may nakuha ka, no? Yan. Okay, bar, convert it to Pascal. Pascal to millimeter of mercury. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 mm of mercury is equal to 133.3 mm of Hg. So, meron ka ng value. So, ang relative humidity is the pressure of water vapor or PV over PS. Plug in the formula, then you will have the value of relative humidity, which is 30.2%. And then for the specific humidity, so as I've said, no, napaka-importante nitong procedure ng pagsusolve niya kasi given yung nakukuha mo yung barometric pressure, nakukuha mo yung dry bulb and wet bulb, then you just proceed with the same calculation process so that you will be able to get the specific humidity, relative humidity, etc. So here, sa specific humidity niya, ginamit niya na naman yung PV. Okay. And then barometric pressure minus PV. Plug in the formula, meron ka ngayong value. Kung i-milligram mo to, this is actually 8 gram. Sorry, kung i-gram mo to, ito ay 8 grams per kilogram of dry air. Yan yung moisture content, humidity nga. Okay? So, saan yung dew point temperature mo? So, remember sa psychrometric chart natin, okay. Ito yung psychrometric chart. So, nandito yung humidity. W. Okay. Ngayon, nandito yung relative humidity. Mababa pa lang to eh. So, dyan na siguro yan. That's the RH. Itong dew point temperature, that is along this line. Diyan yan eh. Yan. Okay. Along that line. Kasi saturation line yan. Okay, move forward. Dew point temperature, since the dew point temperature is the saturation temperature corresponding to the partial pressure of water vapor, PV. Therefore, from steam tables, we find the corresponding to 9.9 saan yan? Ito, yung 9.62 mm o Hg. Convert mo yan sa Pascal. Ito siya. Convert mo sa bar. Ito siya. So, ang dew point temperature mo is 10.6. So, galing naman yan sa TS diagram. Diba? TS diagram, you have the pressure line, constant pressure. Ito yung PV mo. PV. Ito yung saturation. Okay? Bakit? Kasi nga ito yung saturation line ng vapor. Okay? Just to review. And then ito yung CP. Yang itaas na yan, no? CP, critical point. CP. Okay? Here we go. Continue lang tayo. Enthalpy na tayo. So, yung enthalpy of air per kilogram of dry air from steam table pa rin, we also find latent heat of vaporization of water at dew point temperature of 10.6. So, nagpa-progress siya, no? Parang, hindi ka makasolve ng, ng mga variables mo kapag hindi mo progressively, parang step by step. So, dito, you cannot locate itong enthalpy ng latent heat of vaporization kung wala kang dew point temperature. Diba? Tapos, plug into the formula. So, you have to memorize this formula. Enthalpy of dry air per kilogram of dry air is equal to 1.022 times TD plus W quantity HFDP plus 2.3 times DP. So, kailangan mo ng dry bulb, kailangan mo ng TDP, yung dew point temperature. Tapos makukuha mo sa steam table ito, yung enthalpy na yan. Tapos kailangan mo rin itong moisture content, no? Specific humidity. So plug in the value to the formula and then perform numerical calculation. Ito siya. Halos 50 lang 50.66 kilojoule per kilogram dry air. Not much, ano? Tapos ito na yan, volume. Ito pa huling tinanong. Volume of the mixture per kilogram of dry air. So volume from the psychrometric tables, we find the specific volume of dry air at 760 mm of mercury and 30 degrees dry bulb temperature is ito. Nakuha niya to. Saan? Sa psychrometric table. So may psychrometric table din. Meron ding chart. Okay. So we know that 1 kilogram of dry air partial pressure, yan, of mercury occupies the same volume, which is point, yung W is equal to 0.008 kilogram of water vapor and partial pressure of 9.61 mm of mercury. Moreover, the mixture occupies the same volume, but the total pressure is 756 mm of mercury. Therefore, tingnan nyo, yung kanyang therefore, conclusion niya, volume of the mixture V at dry valve temperature 30 and pressure 9.62 mm of Hg ay ito na siya. So the volume of is equal to, sabi niya, no? 1 kilogram dry air VE at a pressure of ito. Ito yan. Kukunin mo yung volume na yan times mo sa pressure of dry air. Ito ngayon yun. Okay, so 87.112.123. Ilan yan? Okay. 0.8741 kilogram per kilogram dry air. Yan yung volume ng mixture sa bawat kilo ng dry air. Okay? So may note pa yan. May note, May note pa siya. Sabi, the volume mixture per kilogram dry air may be calculated as discussed below. Pwede rin ganito eh. Yung gagamitin mo yung PB is equal to MRT. So meron ka AR, meron ka temperature, meron ka pressure. You can solve that. And ito yung madalas gamitin sa practice. Okay? So, ito, Kelvin ito. Yung pressure mo naman is PB minus barometric pressure minus PV. Kuha mo na to. Substitute. Kuha mo rin siya dito. Mas maganda nga at madaling gamitin to ganito. Okay? So, mixture of gas. Ideal gas ang ginamit niya. No? Remember, na dito, ina-assume natin na yung air or mixture of air ng dry and vapor is ideal gas. Kaya ginamit natin yung ideal gas equation natin. Yung PV is equal to MRT. Okay? So, that's all for this day. For now, at least. Thanks.